Hey, my name is Frank. I just finished my ride from Dead Horse to Watson Lake by bicycle, and I met the wonderful French and, the German and the Brazilian people and their friends, the Spaniards, with their dogs, the lovely Uni, my favorite dog of the month.
Nice.
I enjoyed talking with you guys and the friendship you shared with us. And you made me feel very welcome, and I admire you for your wonderful vehicle here. I'm going to send this to one of my riding colleagues. He'd salivate every time he'd see one of these. That this was his fantasy, is to have one of these Mercedes vehicles like this. So.
Nice.
But anyway, it was a pleasure meeting you guys all. Okay.
Thank you. Safe travels.
Thank you. All right.
How long was
cheers.
you on the way?
1 month. Today's 1 month.
Wow.
1 month of riding the bicycle.
Oh, nice.
So I'm taking the bus tonight
Back home.
for 16 hours. Then I jump on a plane and head home.
Nice.
Bye, you guys. Okay.
Thanks.
Bye.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah, and look at this shoe. Hey guys, we're here in the world famous gate to Yukon, Signpost Forest. I don't know if it's world famous, but it's crazy. Look at this, Signpost Forest. It's crazy.
Nice.
Northern Lights Center is back there, by the way.
This is so nice and so crazy. So many.
Yeah,
Like 83,000 I read in the book.
83,000.
More or less. Yeah. We will find one from Regensburg.
Gerrit Ried.
Come on, we need to leave and give for before. Sign.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Look at this from Canada. So beautiful. It's a collection of a man. This.
Really?
Yeah.
I think you got the picture.
Yeah. Crazy. It's really nice.
Look.
Nice. We just start the Campbell highway.
Yep.
It's like you have two ways from Watson Lake to go directly to White Horse, and one of the ways is from directly up to the north in this Campbell highway, and then we go to Ross River, then we take the South Canal roads down, and then we are almost in White Horse. And this is what we will do, because this is like an off-road street, unpaved street, and can be really fun. Fabian is really excited to see how it will be, and we think that we will not have any internet connection, anything. It's really like alone, but can be really fun. I show you that. Bye bye. There is Fabian driving again in underwear.
That's like diesel.
Nice. Let's fill in. Look at this.
Hello. It's a really nice plane.
Oh yeah.
This is pretty cool. Look at this.
You need some help. So what are you doing here?
I have a resort about 10 minutes from here. I'm just moving fuel.
Okay. A
Nice.
resort like
Fishing resort.
fishing. Ah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Nice.
so people come to you and
Yeah, about that much in a day.
wow. So you do this a lot. So you go to White Horse to get diesel.
I go to Watson
Watson Lake.
Yeah. But how often do you do that?
once a week. Normally, I have a big truck come in here and dump me off 5 to 10,000 gallons.
He comes here.
Yeah.
Ah, okay,
But
okay.
this year, with the road the way it is,
Yeah.
I can't get them up the road. Yeah.
So how long is that gonna be?
Well, I don't know. Probably 40 years. You know the way it goes. I've got to move some fishermen here in the next few minutes.
Okay.
They're going over to another lake, and then I'll come back and haul probably 3 more trips, and then I'll be caught up for a couple days.
Okay.
So, see, you probably got about a
Well, I have 400.
5 kilowatt plant.
The generator I barely use because I have solar panels, which I would recommend you
That's
do.
right.
I have solar panels, 600 watt,
Yeah.
and I have the 3000 watt generator, which I only use when it's really
See, my
necessary.
problem is I've got my main lodge is 7,500 square feet,
It's
and then
really
I've got
big.
4 duplex cabins. I mean, I've got walk-in freezers and coolers, and I couldn't get by with.
The main
Biggest problem for me is if I went solar, I'd have to have probably 30 batteries,
Yeah.
and then they're vacant for 8 months. So I have trouble with the batteries going dead over the winter.
Ah, yeah.
So
Sure.
it's just not practical, and I'm going to look in the next couple of years at putting in a hydroelectric system,
Okay.
a real nice creek.
Yeah.
And
That would make sense.
Yeah. And then that would be the end of the diesel fuel,
Yeah.
which wouldn't break my heart. I should have done it 30 years ago, but you know, a lot of things that we should have done 5 years ago or 10 years ago.
Wow, it smells good. So we follow now until Alaska, another 3,000 kilometers. We follow her.